In the event planning world, there is what's known as the run of show. The run of show is also known as the agenda or the schedule or the timeline. Here in the Event Builder Pro system, you can see that when you create an event, we have called it the plan. The plan is going to be that timeline or that schedule. And so what happens is when you create your event, you are selecting the start time and the end time, which of course can be adjusted. But the plan starts with the start time, and what you're doing is an event is actually a series of moments. So if you think of a conference might have a welcome session, and then you might have, this might be on like the day one, this is the evening, you might have like a welcome session, then you might have dinner, then you might have some drinks afterwards and a late night hangout, and then day two is going to be a welcome and an introduction for the guest speaker number one, then you're going to have lunch, then you're going to have speaker number two. So an event or a series of events is a group of moments that are all stacked upon each other until you reach the conclusion of your event. So here with the birthday party that we were planning for my 38th birthday, you can see that right here we have either two things that we can do, either a new header or a new moment. We're just going to go ahead and use the new moments. So to create a plan in the Event Builder Pro system, you click Create Moment, and you can see that 5 p.m. matches this start time and end time. So here in my plan, I'm going to come here and I'm going to say, okay, for the first 1 hour, I'm going to, at Topgolf, we're going to arrive and set up for the party. It takes me about an hour to park, to check in, to unload all of my birthday party supplies, things like that. So here in the description, we're going to say arrive, unload, check in to reservation, set up the tables, etc. So that is, I'm going to hit create, and that is for moment number one. Now at any point in time, I can also come in here. You can see that you can change things. So this is location would be Topgolf. The persons would be John and family. So we've got, that's myself and my family. I can create a script for myself if I want to. And then I'm going to come into the new moment. New moment is going to be, for the next 30 minutes, is going to be guest, arrival, and welcome. So that's going to be everyone. And this is going to be Sean at front desk. So I'm going to have myself placed down there just to say hey to everyone. And then I'm going to be pointing them to say, okay, we're over at Bay 37 or whatever that looks like. So as you can see, now we've got 5 p.m. as the start time, 60 minutes, and 6 p.m. Now if I say, actually, I really don't need to arrive and set up for 60 minutes. I really only need 45 minutes. Well, you can see what happens when I created that second moment. What it does is it says, okay, the last moment was at 6 p.m. was the end time that it finished. So the next moment that I created for 30 minutes started at 6 p.m. and ended at 6:30. So what if I change this? If I say, I actually only need 45 minutes. Well, if I change this to 45 minutes, you can see that it automatically calculates based upon the start time, the length, and the end. It then calculates the end time to say, okay, well, this moment is actually now 45 minutes in length. And so this one starts at 5:45 and then it finishes at 6:15 because that one is 30 minutes. This is one of the most common mistakes that I see in the event planning world is when people will do this on Microsoft Word or Excel. They'll change the length, but they will not change the end time and the start time, and this system does it for you. And then you would just keep going with your moments. So we would come here and we say, okay, this next one is going to be another 45 minutes, and we're going to have dinner and games round one. So people are ordering dinner on their own, we're playing games in Topgolf, and things like that. And then the next one would be birthday, cake, and song. And then finally, we're just going to say for another 45 minutes, this is going to be games round two. And we have finally, last but not least, we will do another 60 minutes of games round three. Hit save, and there we go. We have our plan for our event for my 38th birthday party happening at Topgolf. And that is how you create the plan, the schedule, the agenda, the timeline, the run of show, whatever you want to call it, in the Event Builder Pro system.